I'm really rich. I'll show you that in a second. And by the way, I'm not even saying that in a brag. That's the kind of mindset, that's the kind of thinking you need for this.
You're using me and I am using you. As long as we know that, we won't fall out.
Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that? No, damn well who I am. Who the fuck is that? Oh my God.
I definitely think the internet thinks that I have a lot more money than I do. As I said, I have money to some extent. Like I can definitely buy myself a sandwich, but if you're going to ask me to buy a car, I can't fucking do that.
Sometimes you got to put that phone down and you got to say, do you know what? I need to be on my own, and I need to think to myself, and I need to think about my life and what I want out of my life and where I'm going.
Out there.
I almost wish it wasn't, but it's amazing. Never say never again. I can't believe I've denied myself it all these years.
Y'all be getting rich together. Can't believe I made it. It's my first time getting money. Where's my money? It's right here. Right there.